Hi guys, and welcome back to Thrifty Mama Scraps. I did it again with not planning last week. We just were so busy last week and so many things went on that I just completely forgot to plan. So I'm gonna try to think of what happened last week and kind of fill this in a little bit. The last time I planned was the first week of November. I got to most of the stuff on my schedule. The only thing that I didn't, we actually did pumpkin smashing day today. Two weeks later, but and only one of my kids wanted to do that because my 17-year-old has decided he's too old to do that, which that's fine. He just threw it in the fire. I did not dust my vehicle yet. I still need to do that, and my husband hasn't dusted his truck yet either, so we need to do that. All of these are paid. This is paid. I didn't mark that off. What else? And the other thing that I did not scrub the cabinets yet. So that's all done. And as far as meals, I have not made the ham and beans yet, and I am making that tomorrow night while we are at piano lessons because I can throw it in the crock pot before we go and it'll be done when we get home from piano lessons, and we have 4-H tomorrow night, so that will be good. So I'm gonna get to planning. Last week I'm going to write down what I remember that happened last week, if I can remember what happened last week, honestly, and then I'm going to plan this week. So I will be right back with an overview of everything that I do. So see you in a few minutes. Hi guys, I'm back. So this is the overview of last week. I didn't write everything in because honestly I can't hardly even remember what we did. It was so busy. My sister had a car accident on Wednesday, and it was a head-on collision, and so she was hurt, and thank God she survived the crash, and the other people that hit her survived the crash. But yeah, it was pretty traumatic, pretty busy. We had to change some things around. I had several appointments. I had an MRI, a cardiac MRI on Monday. We had eye appointments on Tuesday. We had to vote on Tuesday. We hung out with some friends on Tuesday. And then I had to watch my friend's kids Wednesday night. And then I had an appointment with the heart failure clinic on Thursday. We had to cancel piano because we had to leave town for a while. Well, we didn't have to leave town. We chose to leave town to visit some people. And then I got my results of my MRI on Friday, which is 47%. My ejection fraction is. Had to pick up some supplies when we got home. We did not get to the burn pile until today, actually. And then I did laundry. So that's pretty much it. There's not really much that we did other than a lot of running around. It's basically. So I'm gonna do this week. I didn't even write down the menu from last week because honestly I don't even remember what we ate last week. That's how busy we were last week. And then on is it Friday or on Saturday, my sister that was in the car accident, her husband was hospitalized for his heart. They weren't sure what was wrong with that, and they kept him for a couple days to do tests, and he was released yesterday. And I'm not sure exactly. I haven't talked to her since then, so I don't know exactly what they found out, if they found anything out at all. So yeah, it was pretty crazy. So today is Wednesday, the 14th. This is the full sheet that I'm going to use. I'm going to go through and pick out some, partially used sheets for this week as well. We did family game night on Monday night, so I'm going to use that sticker, and I'm not sure the other ones that I'm going to use yet, but I'm going to put this together quickly and get this all set up. And if you hear Moana in the background, I'm watching my friend's kids today, and my husband is in the family room with them while I finish this video. So I'm going to try to finish this up quickly, and I will be back. Okay, hi guys, I'm back. I am done with this week's spread from November 12th through the 18th. And this is what our week looks like. I wrote down our market list even though it's Wednesday, and I shopped for Thanksgiving on Tuesday, so this was everything that I purchased. I knew these are the things that I'm making, so my mother-in-law will bring her Watergate salad and her deviled eggs, and then I supply the rest, or we supply the rest, I shouldn't say I meaning us. These are the top priority things that need to get done. The cars need to be dusted, the cabinets need to be scrubbed, the bedding needs to be washed, I need to grade papers, I need to pay bills on Friday, and one other thing, I need to take a box of donations to Goodwill. So, because I filled a box this past weekend, so. Okay, Monday was Veterans Day. My husband worked 7 to 3. I went to cardiac rehab. I wanted to write a review for them because they are awesome, and so I did that. I did it online. They had no school. We played Risk with the boys. Hunter had to work that night until 9:45, so we played a little bit later. We had baked chicken, green beans, and mashed potatoes. Tuesday, my husband worked 3 to 11. I walked 2 miles. In the morning, we shopped for Thanksgiving supplies and the turkey. I did my nails last night. I folded clothes last night. My son worked from 6 to 10, and we had Ethan and I had chicken strips and mac and cheese because it was just 2 of us. Today, I went to cardiac rehab. We mopped the floors. We meaning my husband mopped the floors. I did not do it. And they're nice and clean. Wiped down the bath, laundry. He burned the brush pile in the back. And the kids smashed one of the kids smashed a pumpkin, the other threw it in the fire. And then I'm currently watching my friend's kids, and we are having meatloaf, mashed potatoes, and carrots for dinner. Tomorrow my husband is off. I need to walk in the morning because we're going to be gone in the afternoon. We need to pay Heidi for piano lessons. The kids have piano lessons tomorrow. Hunter is off, of course. We have a 4-H meeting at 6:30. We need to bring items for Operation Christmas Child boxes because we're putting those together tomorrow night. And we're having ham and beans in the crock pot, and I will make cornbread muffins before we leave for piano. Friday is payday. We need to save money for Black Friday, so anything left over after bills needs to be saved for our Black Friday shopping. We need to pay for garbage, gas and electric, our car insurance, and then credit card bill. And then my son works from 4:30 to 10, or our son works from 4:30 to 10. I need to film a December daily video, and then Ethan and I are going to have tacos We may or may not have him early so my middle son can actually eat before he goes to work. I think I'm going to try to do that. And then Saturday, my husband works 3 to 11. I need to record grades and plan next week. In the morning, Scott and the boys need to get a haircut. I need to wash the bedding. I need to dust out the interior of the cars. My middle son works 4 to 10. And I need to clean out the black fridge and freezer. It's a side-by-side. It's our newer refrigerator in the kitchen, and it needs to be cleaned out before Thanksgiving. And then Sunday, my husband works 7 to 3. I'm going to try to go to church with Katie, my friend, with the boys in the morning, if we can get up in time, which we tend to have a problem with that. And I don't. The boys like to sleep in. And then I need to deep clean the bathrooms like I always do. I need to walk 2 to 3 miles either on Saturday or Sunday. I'm not sure which day I'm going to do it. I need to scrub the cabinets, and my son works 9 to 1 that night. And we will all have ribs and baked potatoes and corn. And I also forgot about something I need to pay. I need to pay the rec $30 for walking track, because in the winter month it's starting to get really cold. I was really cold when I walked yesterday, like really cold. My face was really cold. My body really wasn't cold because I was wearing my winter coat and gloves, and I was pretty bundled up. And I was kind of, the first 2 laps I was like kind of cold, and then the last few laps I was like starting to sweat, but my face just was really, really cold. So I'm gonna walk indoors at our recreation center, and it's $30 for the year, I think. Was it $30? Yeah, I think it's, did I say $30 for the year? I think it's $30 for the year, which is really pretty good, actually. So I'm going to do that. And then, what else? I think that's it. So here's my overview real quick. I have to change some dirty pants in the other room. My husband informed me that both little kids need their pants changed. So there we go. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll be back for another video. Hopefully this weekend I will have my videos back the way that they normally are for planning, and I do plan to do a December daily video, and I organized my December daily bin. It was pretty messy if you saw the last video of it that I posted last week, a few days ago or whatever, but I organized it, and I'll show that. But then I want to start putting the foundation pages together, and I will show the processes of the process that I use to do that. So I will talk to you later. Hope you have a good week. Bye.